Hello and welcome to another one of our weather videos. But today we will be looking at lots of severe weather across the US. But first, if we look at the National Weather Service's severe weather outlooks, you can see that we have some winter weather advisories across here, all of the Midwest, and then some over here in mid northern New York. We have some blizzard advisories over here by West Virginia, and then we'll be looking at an ice storm over here in Lowaha. We'll be getting up to 0.23 inches of ice on the ground, which may not sound like a lot, but it can become a category 2 on this severe ice weather conditions with scattered utility interruptions lasting from 12 to 24 hours with very hazardous road and travel conditions. Next, if we look at our weather advisories for the West, you can see that we have a bunch of winter weather advisories scattered throughout the Northwest, some winter storm advisories over here in Montana, and then we have a bunch of winter storm advisories all across Northern California. Then we even have some flood risk over here in California. Then looking at our flash flood risk, you can see that we have a bunch of risk all throughout northwestern California and even a bit of southern Oregon. Then, if we look at the radar, you can see that we are currently looking at a bunch of storms smashing into Northern California, becoming snow as it goes into the mountains. Then, as we go into the night, you can see that these storms just get more intense with more intense snow. And then you can even see this freezing rain starting to form over here. And then, if we keep going, we have very severe freezing rain around tomorrow. And then we even have some storms even smashing into Los Angeles. Then, if we keep going, we just have a bunch of snow over here in the northwest, and then a ton of rainfall over here in the east. And then finally, mainly we're just looking at tons of scattered rain and snow in the north. Finally, looking at the severe storm outlook, you can see that we're looking at some severe storms all throughout the mid US. Then we have some severe storms over here in Northern California. Tomorrow, both of these just spread out to most of the west coast and just more across the mid South US. And then finally, by Sunday, we just have this one tiny bubble of severe storms in the south.